All right, guys, there's our piece. One splice, two splices. Let's measure it out. I'm looking for 24'11" or 299 inches. Okay, hooked all the way in the end over there. Minus a 16th, that ain't bad. That ain't bad, okay? Or 299 inches. That is pretty good to me. 24'11". Let's go. Let's get a coat of paint on this on the back side. A little bit of grind on those welds. And let's throw this bad boy up there.